What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on the channel. Shout out to all the OGs to the channel. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel, man. Make sure y'all come join our private investment community here on Facebook, Private Stock Market Game. We have over 5,000 active investors, and we are doing big things over here. One of my students just hit $3 million. Salute to K-Rock, man. Y'all tap in with him, bro, doing big things. Also, shout out to Dustin. Bro just made $20,000 in under 2 weeks. He just shared his testimony with us. Appreciate you for sharing that. Y'all check that out. I shared his testimony on my Twitter page as well. Y'all also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the channel is spelled. Follow me on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the channel is spelled also. So this is for the Wolfpack. You know, we got an update. Shout out to y'all that said what up to me yesterday at the event at Jewel. I was there. This event today, I wasn't able to make it because I have a lot of work to catch up with, but I had to do this update. We see a major sell-off today. That's why it's important to have somebody a part of the Wolfpack that can, do technical analysis, because, I try to teach y'all through these videos of something that's called buy the rumor, sell the news. So what we seen all the way up to this point was the rumor bought, about the Saitama release party. So it was supposed to be the launch today, but we got news that it would actually be pushed back, I believe, about 2 weeks from now. So the market didn't really react to that too well, and we seen the price, take a dip. We seen some correction come back in the market, and then we also seen it, a massive sell-off all the way down here. Congratulations to those of you that had those buy orders set in at that 63, 69 level. That was crazy to see that. I know a lot of people got shaken out during that time, but y'all just have to remember, we go back to our previous resistance levels. So if we look at the chart here, we can see that that was just approximately, well, if we include the wick, that was a major sell-off. That right there, that wick was, that was, man, that was scary for a lot of people, that flash right there. But normally you don't see it push down that far, but a lot of people were saying, expressing their opinions about the launch party and different things like that. I want to know, drop y'all opinion if you held on or did you get shaken out during that sale right there, and let me know your sentiment about what's going on right now. Let me know how you feel about it. But I ain't gonna lie, I loaded up on this dip right here. I threw a few G's at that dip. We could continue to, sell off and pull back further, but it was right along a key support area. Hopefully we hold our 50% level on our Fibonacci retracement zone. If we could trade below this 50% level, that is an indicator that the trend has turned bearish, and then we could start to expect to see the price continue to trade to the downside. So I'm giving y'all a warning now. If you do not want to see the price trade to the downside, you have to buy this up. Y'all have to hold the line. Remember, this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence, never risk more than you're willing to lose, and make sure that you are prepared to hold long term through the good, the bad, and the ugly. So to me, this was a excellent dip if you believe in this project long term. I do, because of the different education standpoints that they're bringing to the market with Saitama. So therefore, I'm willing to hold it out through this. This was nothing more to me than a discount or a buying opportunity, and that's what we did right there. So let me know what y'all did on that point. Let's take a look at the 1 hour real quick just to see if we got some different price action. So we seen that dip hold. We found support right at that 8591 range, right about there, and we seen buyers step in right here, start to eat the dip up, and we're seeing some support right along, right at our 50% range. We really need to hold that 50% range, and it does look like buyers are pushing the price up. So let's take a closer look. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So our 15-minute chart is showing us we're seeing some resistance at that 50% level, but we just ticked above it and just violated that resistance line. So hopefully we can continue to violate it, push a little bit further with more volume coming in. It looks like we have the potential. Our MACD line is below the signal line, so hopefully that pushes up. Let's see. Also, our RSI is all the way down to a 37, so we are completely almost oversold right now. A lot of people have sold us off. The value is low right now. Even if we look at our Bollinger Band, right where we fell along our lower Bollinger Band, we see people, once we violated that, that was a quick flash down, but in that 15 minute, the next 15 minutes after that, outside of that Bollinger Band, you could have just loaded up, man. You could have just loaded up ridiculously. So I caught it right here after this second candle on the 15-minute chart. I caught right in this range, caught the dip there, and we held support right above that range right there. So that was a good buy. Hopefully y'all were able to catch that as well. Y'all that got in right here were even luckier. But I'm pretty happy with that entry right there. It does look like we're continuing to push the price up. So, you know, I'm not worried about this. I'm prepared to hold this long term. This is, you know, at least a 1-year investment for me. So I try to tell y'all, you know, to make sure it's something that you believe in, a team, you know, the project, and, you know, the community around it. And that's one of the main things with Saitama, is the community for me. So I'm looking forward to, you know, doing some more updates on this. Let me know if y'all are interested in me covering more, you know, updates on it, because I am invested in it long term. But, you know, if y'all want to see more updates, y'all got to let me know, man. Hit the thumbs up, like button to let me know, as well as YouTube, that, you know, y'all enjoy this content and we can get this pushed out with more people, you know. So let's take a look on a 5-minute, see what we got. Okay, so we're finding support right at that 1. So pretty much it's going to be hard for us to, you know, break that. Not hard, I shouldn't say hard, but we are finding support at that, right at the 1. So right at about that 9918 to about 9977, just about, we found support. And it looks like we want to hold that 1. So hopefully we break through right here. We got a little mini cup and handle for me right here. So we should have a breakout. And, you know, I can just eyeball this because I've been doing this for a while. I can see that the breakout is targeted to take out this resistance point here at 1161. So if we take that out, we should be heading back towards the 1472 range, which is just under our all-time high. So, you know, it's not too bad, y'all. You know, don't panic, don't be shaken out of your position. And if we can hit that range, then we'll be testing for our all-time high and to make a new one. So I wanted to share that with y'all as well. Go to the Saitama Twitter page and just, you know, see what we got going on. So this post that says the best dip ever for a while. Dip doesn't last long with our wolf pack. So Saitama mask event live stream. So thanks for intentionally making this launch event incredibly unprofessional, organized, and sloppy. Thank you. So, you know, a lot of people feel indifferent about, you know, the way the event went, you know, and, you know, you can't, you know, make everybody happy. Yes, things could have possibly, you know, went a little different. You know, I wasn't, you know, actually, you know, involved in any planning or anything like that to have any, you know, say so or anything like that. And so I wasn't really sure what exactly happened. But, you know, y'all got to remember, we're still early in crypto. A lot of these events and things that are taking place, this is the first time these things, you know, happen. So it's kind of like the Wild Wild West days. So you're seeing things raw. You're seeing things, you know, straight uncut, basically. And yes, sometimes things won't be as professional, because you got to remember, we are all just, you know, coming from different backgrounds, you know, in different places in life to, you know, learn this new space that we're all in, you know, to, you know, whatever our goal is to reach. But, you know, it's basically, you know, some of us have, you know, years in it, but it's still fairly new for everyone, especially to this extent where now, you know, we're becoming, you know, influencers in this space, and we're hosting events and things like that. So, you know, just be a little patient and understand things won't always be perfect the first time around, you know, because I got an event coming up soon, you know, so I want, you know, y'all to be, you know, expecting, you know, good things to come, but also, you know, just understanding of, you know, that things don't always, you know, just pan out to be perfect the first time around. So shout out to Franny Crypto, said it's what I was just telling others, time to eat the dip. So she is one of my students. Shout out to her and her family. They always rocking with me. So, you know, they know what's up. My people don't panic. You know, my people are, you know, understanding, you know, technical analysis and how to, you know, use these dips to their advantage. So shout out to y'all. Drop hashtag eat the dip in the comments section if you are buying up the dip. Now I got another project I wanted to show y'all real quick. I wanted to check out, just, you know, to bring something fresh to the picture. But this one is Mega Shiba Inu. So check the website out at megashibainu.com. So this one is meet big bad brother of Shiba Inu. We are on a mission to bring 1 million new investors into crypto. I like that mission right there. You know, one of my missions is to help make, you know, 1,000 millionaires, you know, or, you know, which we already are getting to that point, but 1,000 people that hit their first 6 figures in crypto, as well as 1,000 millionaires. So, you know, we got a lot of work to go. You know, we see the testimonials are coming. People are getting to those points. Shout out to y'all. You know, shout out to the ones that, you know, are next in line, that are staying down for the come up, continuing to, you know, learn more each and every day. That's the way to it. You can't shortcut it. You got to put the time in. You know, you got to put the energy and the effort into becoming better. So they have this is on the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain. They have the contract address here. They also have the ETH contract address here, so you can get it on ETH or BSC. So I like that as well. That's pretty unique. So we got home, features, tokenomics, roadmap, partners, price chart, white paper, audit report. So first off, we can see that they have all their social media links here. I like to see that. The Twitter, they got the white paper here. We'll open that up, take a peek at that. Telegram, they got the Instagram. I like that as well. And they got the ETH chart and the BSC chart. So I want to check both of those out. You can buy it on Uniswap. You can buy it on pancakeswap. Also, it looks like they got, you know, debit card, credit card integration as well. That's pretty unique. So I would like to see a team section here. I wonder if that's what the partner section is, but let's read through this and see. So website looks pretty clean so far. So what's new? Billboards, campaigns, celebrity partnership. So there's a mysterious celebrity partnership. Looks like a familiar artist, if I'm not mistaken. It's blurred out, but I can't tell exactly. But y'all can possibly make this out if y'all know who this artist is. Drop in the comment section if y'all think y'all know who this artist is. So here is the teaser of upcoming NFT. So I like that. Pretty dope action figure. 3D, that actually looks pretty cool. So buy sell tax. So marketing 5%, liquidity 3%, ecosystem fee 2%. Okay, so basically 10% overall. So here's the roadmap. This is my favorite part of these tokens, basically to see the direction they're heading, to determine if we can invest in this project long term or if we like where the project is heading. So phase 1, social media setup, smart contract deployment, pre-launch marketing, marketing. I'm not sure why they got that twice. Launching mega Shiba Inu. So phase 2, medium scale marketing, campaign across different social media channels, including paid advertisements, articles and videos listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap, audited smart contracts from trusted third party, scripted writing for both a comic and anime featuring Mega Shiba Inu and other characters, AMA sessions for regular community updates. So they definitely have the CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing in there that we like to see, you know, to give some catalyst to out the gate. Also, I like to see potential. It says script writing for both comic and anime featuring Mega Shiba Inu and other characters. So if they came out with their own comic book and cartoon, that would be pretty dope. Phase 3, fiat money conversion to Mega Shiba Inu tokens to streamline Mega Shiba Inu to investors not familiar with crypto. Bridge to Binance Smart Chain to capitalize on the market there and get new investors, lower gas fees. First release of our comic. Anime development begins. Company to develop is confirmed. So they got the company that will put the comic book or the anime in place, locked in. That's you know, a green light so far. So that they're basically giving us a heads up right there. So this is one of those, you know, potential catalysts that can help pump the price as they release more information on it. So partnerships with NFT artists and a clear release concept showcasing the Mega Shiba Inu collectibles. High profile influencer marketing campaign to boost and showcase the latest phase happenings and what to come already secured. Upscaling the marketing plan from phase 2. Okay, so like, you know, I like what they're talking about. I can see, like, you know, I'm sensing something here, like with their planning. They got a lot of goals here in this phase 3 right here that they want to roll out. So I'm sure if they can accomplish all these goals, all that would add up to something, you know, very powerful to give them a good print into the market. So that would be good to see if that rollout is strategic enough. So phase 4, release of the first anime episode. I like that they already got that in the roadmap. One thing I like to see with the roadmaps, though, are for them to be specific, measurable, and realistic. They don't have a time frame on here, so we can't say exactly when these different phases should be completed by. So that would be cool if they had that on there. But aside from that, I like that they do tell us, you know, this would be expected in phase 4, so we can just say, hey, when does phase 4 start? So more releases of our comic staking platform to stake your NFTs and earn rewards. I like that they got a staking platform for the NFT. That's pretty dope. So showcasing and deploying the first 2D game for Mega Shiba Inu, extra celebrity hype and cooperations to boost the visibility of Mega Shiba Inu, centralized exchange listings, and then we got phase 5. So that's the bottom of the page right here. So to contact them, you can reach them at marketing@megashibainu.com. Let's see phase 5. Launch of the Mega Shiba Inu NFT marketplace. Collaborating with more NFT artists to expand on our collectible drops. Mainstream promotions, including live billboards, TikTok, and celebrity shoutouts. Culmination of the efforts above to create a megaverse. So they not playing. I like what that's what I said. I sense when I sense something. I sense everything that they're reaching to do seems like it goes together with something. So that was, you know, kind of what I sense right there with them trying to create their own megaverse. So that would be interesting. Let's see partners. So they're partnered with Uniswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, pancakeswap. Okay, that looks like that's it. Let's see what else we got. So let's take a look at the Twitter real quick. 1,379 followers. Based in Blue Earth, Minnesota. Mega Shiba Inu joined October 2021. It says Mega Shiba Inu has arrived to the crypto space. Join the experienced team on their travels to the moon. So here's their Twitter at Mega Shiba Inu. Again, that's at Mega Shiba Inu. If y'all want to check them out, give them a follow. Let them know about how y'all heard about them. Also, you know, one thing I like to see here is that keyword experienced. So it says join the experienced team on their travels to the moon. So it tells us that this team might have some background. You know, it's good to always join the Telegram, which you can find a link here, t.me/Mega Shiba Inu. And, you know, reach out to the team, ask some questions. I always encourage y'all before y'all invest to ask the team some type of questions. So that way you can ensure, you know, that you can build some type of rapport with, you know, the team and that they will respond to you if you have questions. So was a giveaway. It said giveaway time, $500 to one lucky winner. Like, retweet, and tag 5 friends to enter LFG. ERC20 giveaways, NFT giveaway, cryptocurrency, SHIB Army, Solana NFT. So that would be pretty dope if they have that NFT based on, you know, Solana. I'm interested in seeing that. That would be very, very interesting. So this is big. 6 p.m. UTC BSC launch. Get your bags ready. This is the day. After our huge run on the ETH to 5 million market cap, we are now launching our on BSC as well. 6 p.m. UTC, you will be able to buy Mega Shiba Inu and not pay ETH gas fees. Link to buy. So, you know, some people right now aren't even touching ERC20 because of the gas fees, and, you know, and I don't blame them, but you can be potentially missing out on some good plays. Because if you check my channel, I've been calling some fire ERC20 tokens that I've, you know, 2, 3x, 4x in, you know, less than a week, you know, 2 weeks. So, here's another one. This is the day after a huge run. Okay, we just read that one. So today we launch our bridge to Binance Smart Change. Keep your eye out in the Telegram chat for further details. This is huge, so get your bags ready. Okay, so that's the Twitter page. Y'all follow them. Some more on there. I like the way the white paper looks right away, the way it pops up. That gives me good hope for the comic book if it, you know, if it'll, you know, stand out like this. So white paper, index, introduction, backstory, team foundation, features, gaming, and utility. Roadmap, final words, important links. Disclaimer, introduction. Let's see. Okay. So we'll go through the white paper real quick. It's pretty long, but we'll check it out just to see, you know, because I really want to encourage y'all to read about y'all investments and to take the initiative to, you know, go that extra step. A lot of people probably, you know, never read the white paper of any of the projects that they're invested in. So the majestic mega Shiba Inu has entered his kingdom to provide his loyal subjects riches beyond their wildest imaginations. This is possible through the dedicated support of his community and by living up to the roadmap vision set out by Mega Shiba Inu. Loyalty shall also be rewarded by showerings of shiny Shiba tokens and prizes that shall be gifted at the whim of the king. Mega Shiba Inu. Because of his pedigree, the golden gates of crypto exchanges have already been opened for Shib Majesty. Bend the knee and hold his coin, and soon you shall be knighted Sir Wealthy. The basis for Mega Shiba Inu is to have a 100% community-driven project, uninfluenced by ambiguous intent. Our vision relies on the united support of thousands of inspired individuals who will work together as a cohesive whole to enable the project's success. So this is a community-driven project, y'all. So in this way, the ecosystem will be dynamic and be able to adjust depending on market conditions, but always striving towards future growth. So here's the backstory. So backstory, gather around, children, whilst I tell you a fable of the land of Ethereum. It was once a place of such shining regard, a place for people of all backgrounds to venture to in order to marvel at the wondrous gains and lofty market caps that stretched high into the sky. But lo, after a time, a dark shadow spread across Ethereum. The blockchain gates were broken, and the land was stormed by invaders of disrepute, who terrorized the good moon people with rug pulls, honeypots, and taxation fees they simply could not afford. As this dark cloud of corruption continued to spread, sadness grew among the moon people, and many departed Ethereum, heading for the sunset east of Solana and the futuristic world of Tron. It was a dark time, to say the least. Backstory. But as the moon people's cries of desperation rang out across the DeFi space, a slumbering king heard and awoke. It was Mega Shiba Inu, the fabled king of the meme, who had for too long allowed imposters to claim his throne, whilst he rested. So danning his bejeweled furs and affixing his crown atop his regal head, he began his long journey back to Ethereum, where he would save all the moon people from their terrible affliction of bad projects and scams, and then take his rightful place as united leader of the altcoin lands. The moon people rejoice for Mega Shiba's thundering footsteps could be heard in the vast distance, already scaring away imposters. His royal messengers arrive soon after to sound the trumpets of his return, and have revealed that he shall arrive home today, no later than today, 6 p.m. UTC. He will enter into the kingdom of Ethereum to bestow all of his loyal subjects riches beyond their wildest dreams. Already, 2 of the biggest Shiba millionaires have shunned their false idol and pledged undying allegiance to Mega Shiba Inu. Backstory. More shall soon follow. Hidden deep within his bag of gems, it is rumored that the king holds glorious and unique NFTs that shall be gifted to those deemed most worthy. Loyalty shall also be rewarded, and prizes shall be gifted at the whim of the king. He plans to welcome the poor lost sheep back to the land of Ethereum, and with invaluable treasures such as NFT staking and dedicated play-to-earn game, and vast future announcements worthy only to be heard by nobility. So come, children, run along home and tell your moon investor partners, tell them to bend the knee and hold his coin, for the king Mega Shiba Inu cometh, and they shall become wealthy beyond their wildest imagination. So Team Foundation. The team foundation that makes up Mega Shiba Inu consists of a dozen key individuals with a diverse set of unique skills, who combined are capable of bringing the vision of Mega Shiba Inu into reality. Thanks to the remote nature of cryptocurrency, it means that our team is spread across the entire globe, united by a shared love for innovative and exciting projects that push the envelope of the DeFi space. The core team covers each of the required roles to make Shiba Inu Mega Shiba Inu to become what it has been set out to be. So lead developer, a well-versed data scientist who graduated from MIT. So that's a good sign. We want to connect the dots on. In the United States of America with extensive experience in crypto development and deployment, from origins assisting other crypto startup releases. Our lead developer has learned all the ins and outs of the crypto token development and is able to make flawless, secure, and top operating smart contracts. Head of marketing. Our highly experienced marketer has over a decade of experience in creating campaigns for large and medium-sized corporations across the world. Due to his non-disclosure agreement, further details may not be disclosed, but since getting into the crypto space, his marketing efforts have shifted towards exposure and trust for the many projects he has enabled to achieve vast success. Project manager. A university-grade project manager who began as a project leader for minor online games to later expand operations into massive multiplayer online games. This individual knows what is necessary to make any project a success, from making sure developers are on top of their game to keeping all team members up to date. Their role is key, and they are more capable of the task. So, creative director. Our creative director is the lead behind several mini-films and various projects on YouTube, and a person who has a knack for the creative touch. For the past year, their focus has been on aiding cryptocurrency projects where attention to detail has been the deciding factor for success. Our creative director stops at nothing to ensure a great product. Game developer. Being interested in gaming for all of his life quickly led our game developer into wanting to make games himself. From graphics to code, the impressive talent can pull off advanced game mechanics and realize them on the blockchain. Because of this trait, we are eager to present our own title, Coming to Mega Shiba Inu, featuring inspiring incentives for the next generation of gaming. Financial and strategy advisor. The extremely talented individual achieved their accountant qualifications in North America and has since gone on to provide financial and strategical advice to many Fortune 500 companies across the globe. Finding home in cryptocurrency, the opportunity quickly presented itself in helping small and large projects alike properly allocate their finances and plan ahead for expansion. So shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I will tap in with y'all as soon as this video is over. Shout out to y'all. Mega Shiba Inu has created a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem So this is features. Mega Shiba Inu has created a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem built upon inclusion and dedicated growth over time. For this reason, our tokenomics are carefully analyzed to bring the most for our holders. Below is outlined the ecosystem and taxation protocols that aid the project's growth. So total supply, 1 billion. I like that. Very low supply. Very low supply compared to a lot of these tokens. I definitely like that a lot. It's very, very interesting. So breakdown of 10% taxation buy/sell. So 3% liquidity fee. This is automatically transferred to the LP to stabilize the price impact and allow smooth transactions. So 5% marketing and development. Marketing is crucial to keep the project growing and to ensure it remains in the public eye. This, alongside more development down the road pertaining to the roadmap, will ensure longevity and the opportunity for exciting new developments. So 2% prize draw utility develop. To keep the community actively engaged, we will be hosting contests where the winners will be entitled to a percentage of the prize draw pool. So I like that they incorporated that as well. So gaming, utility, and TV show anime. From the very start of Mega Shiba Inu, the team has had a single goal to create a platform for the community that gives back to them in a fun and innovative ways. For now, this will be achieved by contests such as the prize draw. However, in the future, this will expand in a variety of ways that will allow Mega Shiba Inu to stand out among other projects. It is the intention of the team to continuously develop new concepts for play-to-earn games native to the blockchain, such as Mega Slicer and Mega Runner, which will create exciting incentives for people to keep engaging with the project. So Mega Shiba Inu Incubator. This unique feature will see members of the community submitting unique designs for Mega Shiba Inu to be auctioned out in our exclusive marketplace. In addition, there will be a staking option available to allow royalties to be earned. This comes with dynamic integration of the aforementioned play to earn titles in development. So Megaverse. Thanks to Facebook, the metaverse is being brought into the mainstream. However, it is not new. We have already got plans for our own exciting version, the Megaverse, where top holders across other projects will be permitted to purchase and migrate NFTs for objects such as landscapes, cars, and houses, and then essentially showcase them in the Megaverse. In addition, the world will feature Mega Vegas, an engaging gambling platform that will enable investors to bet tokens for potentially increased earnings. More details on this soon, but we are very excited. So that definitely sounds interesting right there. So TV show, our very anime. That's right. In addition to everything listed above, we also intend to develop our very own anime, which will feature Mega Shiba Inu as the main character. We have already engaged professional scriptwriters whom are working on different stories as I'm writing this document. We have already secured the animation studio that will bring these stories to life. In the beginning, we aim to make short, funny anime clips that will eventually evolve into full-length anime episodes around 15 to 20 minutes each. And who knows, they may even feature celebrities as well. So comics are very own stories and a physical copy you can own. So we are also making our very own comic. This means you will be able to get a physical copy of our Mega Shiba Inu stories, which will tie in with our anime as well. Some of the same people working on the anime are also working on the comics. In addition to talented comic writers, so happy hours. Our unique happy hours concept will be implemented to attract new investors towards Mega Shiba Inu. The outline of this very concept will differentiate to keep the engagement rate up among both new and old investors, but will effectively create rewards for additional investments and will be yet another innovative way to keep community engaged daily. So bringing 1 million new investors to crypto. So that's, with the supply being only 1 billion, that's even, a sign that, if you do your due diligence on this project, remember, this is not financial advice, but that's a sign that this might take off. So by educating and assisting new investors and holders alike, we hope to expand the scope of those familiar with cryptocurrency and increase adoption worldwide. It is our sworn goal to add 1 million new investors into the DeFi space to engage with both our own and other projects through the metaverse, allowing us to do our part to expand the decentralized movement. Our community-based project with its vibrant ecosystem will enable investors from all over the world to take part and earn phenomenal benefits. So roadmap. Our roadmap will evolve over time and more phases will be added as progress past our milestones and evolve organically. Since Mega Shiba Inu in its essence is a community-driven project, all holders will have an opportunity to impact decision making and decide the future of the project and its growth. However, the project will never lose sight of its overall aims. So we read the roadmap already during the first review. So final word. It is no secret that the survival and success of all tokens are dependent on a number of factors, first and foremost being the quality and strategy of its marketing. The team serving as the backbone for Mega Shiba Inu have all the necessary expertise and connections to navigate the crypto space minefield and ensure the project is successful. Our strategy from the very start is to push through all effective marketing avenues and keep both engagement and hype alive, thanks to our well-planned and executed roadmap. In addition to the roadmap, our white paper will also be updated over time and evolve as we progress further down the road, ensuring our community remains both informed and included. We are extremely grateful and humbled by our fantastic community and early backers. Your support has been absolutely crucial, and we are beyond excited to show you what is yet to come. Thank you for your support. We are now ready to reach new highs that will echo throughout the DeFi space and beyond. This is Mega Shiba Inu, and we are always prepared. So here's some important links y'all can check out. Pause this video and grab those links. So also real quick, I wanted to check out, here's the Telegram. Remember, that's t.me/Mega Shiba Inu. They got 1,600 members, 336 online. It's good to just check out the community to see how active it is at the moment. Okay, it looks like the Instagram is down for right now. But let's take a look at the chart. So let's go to the 1 hour, see what we got here. So this looks like a perfect time to enter right now. We're on the Ethereum chart right now. Perfect entry right here. So the project just actually started November 3rd. So this project is only 10 days old. So check out, that dip right there. That's a nice, correction. This is right here the time to buy if you were interested in. So, remember, this is not financial advice, but I like to use my technical analysis to determine, good entry points. And we don't have enough data here, but we can just say, we found some support. We found some resistance, I should say, right off of this support with the previous candle. But honestly, it's so new that, it's still hard to call it with this one. And they still have 905 holders. How much unlocked liquidity? 324,000. Nice, not bad at all. So it's too early to use these tools right now, but I believe this was a good pullback here. Let's take a look on a smaller time frame. The day chart says it's a green light to buy. 4 hour chart says it's a green light to buy. 1 hour says the same thing. The reason why I'm saying that on these other time frames, because look where we are now. We're starting to find some support, and it's still below all these other support and resistance levels that we had in the chart. So getting in right now would be like super, nice, especially with the price trading along the lower Bollinger Band. Our RSI is all the way off the meter down to a level 21. This is ridiculous right here, y'all. And then, we got the price about to go up. You look at our MACD about to cross over. So don't say I didn't tell you. The price is right now at 0.0016. This is not financial advice. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. But just come check this project out because it is, a good buying time right now. And thank me later on once you hit off this. So that's all we got for this video. Actually, I believe they got the BNB chart as well. So the BNB chart is doing pretty much the same thing. Okay, so it only has 1 day of data on this chart, but it's still a good buying opportunity. It's lower than the last support. We break over this, you're in the green. So that's all we got for this one. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. Let me know, we'll stay following this one for a little bit to see, let's check out some of the buy orders, some of the sell orders, so we can see how much people are actually buying right here. But remember, the supply is very low on this one. So, only thing I wish we could have seen more of is the team. But it doesn't, look too bad with this one. So, remember how to use your technical analysis. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on me, and we are out.